Okay, let's go. I want them all. It was all in here when I moved in. Oh, she looks nice.
Way down there. Just got to pull that bed to one side and then you can get round it.
Alright.
You're going down this way, you're not going down here, are you?
Yeah, I'm going
You end up breaking your neck.
Don't mind when someone else knows what he's doing coming down. So.
Where's he?
Can you give him a ring? Yeah, I don't know whether it's been blocked off or what. There's a load of bricks down there, and I know it goes at least the width of this garden and maybe the other side of the garden as well, but
okay.
I'm not sure. Are you alright, Tim?
Yeah, I'm just trying to pull it over a bit to get down that hole. That's it. Just squeeze past it then.
Tim, once you're in there, can you cop hold this camera?
Yes, mate. Right.
You've got to be careful of it, they're sticking out the ends, if you know what I mean. You got it?
Yep.
Got it? That's it. Cheers.
It's not that damp now, I thought it was up there.
Okay. She does go down, doesn't she?
Down a long way.
Caving.
You alright?
Yeah.
Widens out a little bit when you get a little bit down.
Okay.
That's it. I've just piled loads of those bricks down here. Alright.
Have you been that far?
I've been up to where the end of the bricks are and that's about it.
Does it go any further?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll get that camera in here, we'll have to bunk this here in a minute. Could you want us to go first? Let's get in here. I'll rest this camera here. There's metal nails all the way down it, so it's had an electricity supply at one time.
I'll deck chair down there. There's round the corner there again.
Eh?
The tree roots here. I didn't know that. It goes all the way.
Roll up. These bricks hurt your knees. Keep going. You say a T-junction up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can head back up to the garden on the railway line this end.
Keep going, Tim. You can get through.
That end's a dead end, that end. Head back up to the surface by the looks of it. Yeah, head back up to the surface here, Frank.
Alright, hold up.
Move it in this side. Pull up this
Leave old bottle.
Someone's got loads of garden rubbish in there.
Tim, you take that for us. Take this light. Can you reach that? That's it. These bricks are nice on the knees, aren't they? Sorry? Writing, eh?
Yeah, David.
See, there's something that's in. We can back up a bit so I can get out. Yep, get in, get out. Oh, that's a tight squeeze down here.
This time never come up as far as this. It goes back up there, up to the surface by the looks of it. Okay.
Yeah, there's tree roots. Jesus, it's slippery. Yeah. Yeah, it goes up to the surface. A few old bottles and bits up here. Let's have a look at them.
You can't hear the running water, you can hear running water.
Oh. There's an old bottle. That's an old siphon. I need a stick. We got a stick, have we?
Not here, no.
Anything? Nothing, huh?
No.
That's like an old bottle up there. I wonder if it was anything good. I can't reach it.
Just trying to see what that takes. That takes 16. 16 minutes. Can't be that old, can That says 1692 there.
Let's have a look. What's it say?
I'm sure that says Dave, 1692. It seems a bit clean though, doesn't it?
It does, but then it is quite.
Then again, no one's been down here.
Fresh down here. Yeah. Get this other torch out. That's better.
I was wondering how far under the house, whether you're up on the railway line end.
Come on, see what it says on it. Does it say where's the date here then?
Yeah, at the bottom there, look.
Yeah, it does say 16. Can't be that old, surely.
We're not sure how old the chapel is. Ah, there's one under here, look, 1993.
Alright.
So other people have been down here. PS 1993. someone else has been here, haven't they?
Yeah, so. Nothing in there, huh?
Yeah. That's it down here. I think you can see where the chalk has been scraped in.
He had electrics in here at one time. There's all metal spikes sticking out the tunnel.
Oh, right.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, look, there's metal pins there.
Yeah.
I've got a couple there, look.
That's right. And more
Cut
names
those.
also. There's another one there. Someone in the house has been down there, mate.
I don't think Mal's been in here that long. What's that, 90? That's over 10 years on there, isn't it?
Easy, isn't it? You want to get through first?
Yeah,
So I can
squeeze back through. So take that bottle.
Alright.
Obviously, a lot of this has collapsed since the last time I come down because it wasn't that much in here.
One's bad.
Yeah.
Squeeze through, yeah.
Money on these bloody bricks.
Them bricks are knee killers, isn't they?
It might have been someone's homemade air raid shelter or something.
It probably was. See no names. A little candle hole there. There's definitely electrics here. There's pins all the way. Breaks a lot of needles.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Those little hooks all the way down, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely had electricity.
Yeah.
It went all the way down. All the way along. Wow. That's a nice little tunnel under Margate. Thanks for looking.